Nature is our higher self, and higher self is our true nature. Reconnect to your true nature within you, in nature. Unity in your heart, in nature. You will find freedom. Take a moment to truly make space for nature in your life. The act of being in nature is more important to you, to your soul, than you realize. The simple act of being in her presence, fully absorbed, embodying her within, opens up a portal to your higher state of being. It's a connection to life force energy that you've been missing. It's a direct communication to the divine being that is you, the universe within you, the light within you, the creator within you. When you stand in nature with your heart fully open and attuned, you are receiving the essence of divine love itself flowing from source into your being. Only you can access this sacred connection by being still, by being your true nature. Through this sacred connection, you experience life force energy that vibrates through every living thing, and its power, that power to flow freely throughout all life, must flow through you. Experience the life force energy that vibrates through every living thing around you. Be its energy, its frequency, and its vibration of love that created it. The divine energy that created it, including you, down to the cellular, molecular, and atomic level. You are nature. You're an energetic life force being. Nature is not separate from us. She is our higher self. The higher self that so many of us seek is already in us, in truth. We are the essence of nature. The true essence of who we are is that. Be that which you are in nature, as nature itself, being fully present in the now, observing, being, feeling, and experiencing life, force, energy. When we make space to be present in nature, we are allowing ourselves to reconnect with that which is already within us, activating the deeper and highest truth of our being. In this sacred communion and union, we are reminded of our natural state of consciousness, where we feel our hearts our souls and our bodies aligning in harmony and balance. For within this space is where all answers can be found. All wisdom resides within this space of connection and stillness. The power of life flows through you effortlessly. Nature holds the key to reconnection to our true and higher self. Only you can be free to connect with this within you now. Nature allows us to remember who and what we truly are, beyond the distractions of life, beyond the material world. It is through this embodiment in nature that we awaken to the divine energy within us, the energy that guides and nourishes the soul and body, and reminds us that we are whole, radiant beings when we allow ourselves to be. So just be. I invite you to take this message into your heart, to step into nature, the arms of nature, and be one with her. Listen and hear her with your heart and soul fully open and connected. Feel her energy flowing through you, activating the knowing deep within that you are her, that she is you, that it is your true essence to be nature and be one within her love and beauty, divine and natural. For in her embrace you will remember who you are. You will awaken within you a deeper knowing. Intuition and insight will flow far easier. You will remember, you will awaken, and you will reconnect with the divine essence that is you, calling you. It is for you to be present and answer that call.